Why does your entrepreneurship journey not work? Why did that sales position that you took not work? At the end of the day, if you're selling a great product and you took a sales position and you're 100% commission, you should be able to make good money. So why is it that we fail consistently? It could be a few things, right? One, it could be you're not doing what I'm doing right now, getting your hands dirty, okay? You're not willing to get your hands dirty, okay? Maybe you have this idea in your head that owning your own business or doing your own thing consists of doing your own stuff, doing whatever it is that you want to do, having your own schedule, just whatever that looks like for you. Maybe that's what is going on in your head. And I'm not going to be the guy to wake you up and help you understand this. I think I'm just being real with you guys that owning a business or being in a sales position, being in an entrepreneurship journey, it's necessary sacrifices consistently. I'm out here scrubbing windows right now because that's part of my business, right? I had to fill in today. You know, I have to fill in all the time, okay? So I'm doing what's necessary. I'm not just doing the fun stuff, okay? I'm not just doing the stuff that I want to do. One day that will be the case. But right now, I'm doing whatever the business requires of me, whatever's necessary. And that's kind of what it takes to build a business or to work in commission, okay? When I was a sales guy and I worked for companies and my sole purpose was just to sell, that was easy. That was real freaking easy, actually. Think about it. If you're a sales guy right now, you work 100% commission, okay? You sell solar, you sell cars, you sell equipment, you sell roofing shingles, whatever it is that you sell Kirby vacuums, it doesn't really matter, okay? You sell insurance, okay? I used to sell cell phones, all right? I sold solar, cell phones, I did all kinds of stuff. Fuel injector cleaner. But when I was doing that, my sole purpose was just to sell, okay? So every day, all I did was go out there and sell, okay? I had one goal, one target, sell. Go out and outsell the people around me and just be the best, okay? So if you're complaining and you're in a sales job right now, don't think about starting your own business. Because if you're gonna have to start your own business, not only are you gonna have to sell, you're gonna have to do labor work, you're gonna have to drive places, you're gonna have to do things you don't wanna do. And if you're already having struggles with going out and selling, making that call, making that door knock, okay? Following up with that client, or maybe you don't even have a sales system in place. Maybe you're just literally at your job and you're just waiting for people to come into you, okay? Think about it. When you start a business, you're getting dropped off in the middle of the world. There's no clients, no one knows your name, no one knows your business, no one knows anything about you, okay? How are you going to get business? Say tomorrow you want to open up you have a cool idea, you have a t-shirt company, okay? And you want to open a t-shirt because most of you guys want to open up clothing lines, okay? And clothing lines are like a dime a dozen. There's tons of them out there. You open up a little shop in your house. How are you going to get t-shirts to people? What is that going to require of you? You're going to have to go out there in the marketplace and you're going to have to knock on people's heads and say, hey man, this is a cool t-shirt, right? You want to buy it? That's how it works. So if you're in a sales job right now and you can't even go out and sell the t-shirts or sell the knives, when you become a business owner, you have to do the sales, you have to do the marketing, you have to do the hiring, you have to do the firing, you have to do the payroll, you have to do the paperwork, yada, 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 okay? So think about it like this. I'm not trying to scare you from doing your own business, but you really got to consider these things. Start developing the habits right now so you can do all of these extra things. If you're a sales guy right now and you want to own your own business one day, or maybe you just want to make a couple $100,000 a year or even $1 million a year in a sales job, which is totally possible, You need to start treating your sales position like it's a business right now, okay? Whatever sales position you're in right now, it's your business. You're 100% commission. There is no ceiling on top of you. Start running it like a business, okay? Maybe you kill it there and you don't even need to start your own business. I think sales guys can make incredible money and they don't even need to start their own business. But think of all that shit you gotta do right now as a sales guy, and then you're gonna go start your own business, okay? You're adding all this other shit to your freaking, to your task. Selling's easy. You just go out and sell. But now you're a business owner, now you're an entrepreneur, now you need to take your own money and you gotta invest it in your business, you gotta get guys, you gotta get equipment, you gotta get payroll, you gotta get all this shit. So think about it, how are you gonna do all that? You need to develop the habits right now. Habits are the only way to make this all happen, okay? Start developing successful habits now and you'll be able to actually win in the future. Habits are developed over 60, 90 days. Just do the same thing over and over and over for 60 to 90 days and you'll start developing habits that are winning habits so you can actually win. That's all I got.